Good morning students. I welcome you all in this new series of class 7. Today we are going to start a new chapter of civics, equality in Indian democracy. In this unit, introduces to the learner to the equality, every aspects of equality. Every effort taken by government to reduce the inequalities from our country. After taking all effort, the daily life of people of India far from equality. Students, in previous classes, we talk about democracy. What do you mean by democracy? Short recap. What do you mean by democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which people govern the country. Democracy is a form of government in which people govern the country. Democracy, this democracy word has its origin from two Greek words, demos, kratia, democracy. Demos means whole citizen living within a particular city and state, and kratia means power or rule. So democracy is a form of government in which people govern the country. And also we talk about in previous classes key elements of democracy. There are few elements of democracy: people's participation, resolve the conflicts, equality and justice. What do you mean by people's participation? Yes, it means that people participated as voters, as rulers, or they participated as opposition leader to keep a close watch on ruling party. Second, they resolve the conflicts related to national and international matter. And third one, equality. Equality is the most important and a first fundamental right given by our constitution. What do you mean by equality? It means that everyone is equal before law, irrespective of their caste, class, gender, religion and place of birth. Everyone is equal before law. No one is above law and no one is below law. Fourth point, justice. Social and economic justice both. These are the elements of democracy. In this chapter, we talk about the most important element of democracy, that is equality. In this chapter, we also talk about what do you mean by equality, why it is important in democracy, and why there is not equality in everywhere in India. The importance of equality, and this point we can understand through a short story. Here is short story related to Kanta. My dear student, listen carefully. Kanta is a very poor lady and she is also a domestic worker in Jan Sahab's house. In the early morning of an election day, they go to a polling booth and a line is there, or everybody is standing in a line, irrespective of their class, caste, race, gender and religion. And they are waiting for their turn comes. Once their turn comes, they cast their vote. Here, everyone is standing in a same line. Teachers, traders, student, industrialist, Jan Sahab and his wife also standing in the same line. Sujata, Kanta's friend, were also waiting for their turns. When they cast their vote, they returned back to their home and greeted each other. A short conversation between Kanta and Sujata. Kanta talked about her daughter. My daughter is suffering from fever and I need to borrow some money from Jan Sahab. My dear student, Kanta is a very poor lady. Economic condition is very bad, and just behind her house, drainage system is there. While moving to Jain Sahab's house, she thought that my daughter ill because of the unhygienic situation available in slum area. No proper sanitation facility is there. Not available fresh and pure drinking water. While completing her household chores, he demanded for some advance to Jain Sahab's wife. After getting some money, he returned back to home and finally take her daughter to the hospital. At the same line, she needs to stand in a same line in hospital. Here, every aspect of equality is given by this story. We mean to say that every aspect of equality is described by this story. Another point, that is first topic. Now student, first topic of this chapter, equal right to vote. First topic of this chapter is equal right to vote. What do you mean by this? Equal right to vote is also known as universal adult franchise. It means right to select our government. Our constitution guarantees every citizen, every adult citizen after the attainment of a definite age, 18 years or above, male and female, irrespective of their caste, creed, gender, race, religion and a place of birth, they are eligible to right to vote. They are able to select their rulers without any discrimination. Next point. Now student, this is the time to recapitulation of what we learned today. Democracy. What do you mean by democracy? Democracy is a form of government in which people rule or govern the country. It has its origin from two Greek words, demos and kratia. Demos means people, whole people living in a particular city, state and area. And kratia means power or rule. It means democracy is a form of government in which people govern the country. Another question, another point, that is universal adult franchise. What do you mean by universal adult franchise? It's an important, fundamental and political right given by our constitution. It means that every citizen of our country, those who attain the age of 18 years or above, irrespective of their caste, creed, race, gender, religion and place of birth, can participate in voting system. They right to select their government, they right to select their representative is known as universal adult franchise. In this video, I just give two questions. First, what do you mean by democracy? tackled? French fries. Try to find out the answer. Thank you.